Knots are man's earliest technology. Sailors are masters at knots because they're really bored at sea and they've got plenty of time. Through knots, we conquer the world. Here are 6 essential knots. Number 1. The bowline, the king of knots. Grab the rope with both hands about 2 feet up from the end of the rope. With your right hand, create a counterclockwise loop in the rope. Run the end of the rope around the object that you're tying to and up through the loop. Bring the end of the rope back behind the standing part of the rope and back down through the loop. Grab the end of the rope and the right side of the loop and pull on the standing part of the rope to tighten up the knot. The bowline does not cinch under pressure and is easily untieable, useful in scenarios where something needs to temporarily be anchored, like docking a boat. Number 2. Figure 8. Double back the rope on itself. Cross the bight over the bottom strands, bring it around the back, and pass it through the loop. Pull the rope tight to complete the figure 8. The figure 8 is commonly used in climbing to tie a climber into their harness. Number 3. Clove hitch. Take the rope, put it over the rail, and make a crossing turn. Take the working end and tuck it up alongside the standing part of the rope. Feed the rope under itself. If you spread it out, you can see that it creates 2 half hitches running in opposite directions. It looks like an 8. Tighten the knot to complete the clove hitch. The clove hitch is a versatile hitch, commonly used to tie something to a rail, like tying up a horse. Number 4. Fisherman's. Take 2 ropes pointing in opposite directions. Wrap the working end of the orange rope over the green rope, making sure the orange rope coils backwards over itself. Repeat this wrap to create a second coil. When both wraps are completed, 2 coils will be facing you. Thread the working end of the orange rope through both of these coils. Pull both ends of the orange rope to tighten. Note the X-shaped knot this created. This time, start with wrapping the working end of the green rope underneath the orange rope. Go around twice until you create 2 coils. Thread the working end of the green rope through the 2 coils. Pull both ends of the green rope to tighten. Pull both ropes and the bend will cinch together. The finished bend should have 2 X's on one side and 4 parallel strands on the other. The fisherman's is used to tie 2 ropes together and grips tighter the more you pull it, commonly used to join 2 fishing lines together. Number 5. Taut-line hitch. Take the end of the rope and run it around the object that you're tying to. Then place it over the standing part of the rope to create a loop. Wrap the end of the rope around the left side of the loop twice. Continue over the standing part of the rope to create another loop. Run the end of the rope underneath the standing part of the rope and back up through the loop. The taut-line hitch is designed to enable you to easily adjust the tension of the rope. This is commonly used for adjusting tent guy lines. Number 6. Surgeons. Load the needle 2/3 along the curve of the needle, perfectly perpendicular to the driver. Enter the tissues perpendicular to the skin and rotate. Reload the needle driver. Enter deep and rotate. Now it is time for the instrument tie. Perform 2 overhand throws. Cross your hands. Then perform an underhand throw and an overhand throw. The surgeon's knot is commonly used for stitching skin. If the patient asks, "Will this hurt?" always reply with, "Not as much as the thing you did to get yourself in this situation." Practice these knots. Master them. Take your time, go slow. By going slower, you will learn faster. Mastery means doing without thinking.